Yes, I am a woman very busy, but well, I am here.
You, I can't hear your voice. Can you repeat that?
Sorry. Give me a moment for get my I iPhone. Hello.
Yes, yes,
Can you hear me better?
yes, yes. Very good, very good. Okay, okay. So you're saying,
Uh, yes, I can understand. What do you say?
yes. I ask you just talk about yourself and your career. Yeah.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Well, I am from Venezuela,
Uh-huh.
but now I am living in Madrid, Spain,
Mm-hmm.
and I am studying English. But well, I think I need approve my speaking for being fluently. Well, maybe my listening, and I think I am in B1 level, but I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I am studying in one school here in Madrid. I am seeing this level B1 with
Uh-huh.
this book. Well, at the end of this course, I will have a test for certification.
Uh-huh. 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 So why do you, can I ask you why do you want this certification?
Really, I don't know. I have asked this to my teacher, and she told me that this is one certification from the community of Madrid, but enough. And she don't say me maybe TOEFL, no, anything
Uh-huh.
of this.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
She's only saying me that this is certification of the community of Madrid.
Uh-huh.
But
Uh-huh.
well, I am studying with these books.
Uh-huh.
This is
Uh-huh.
from Oxford,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah.
but why?
After all, why do you want to learn English?
Because for me it is one of my dreams. Um, because I think with this language I can get a better job
Mm-hmm.
than because this is his her this is important can speak another language and well because I like it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so maybe you want to migrate or get a remote job from a native English country, or I don't know, if you are working in an international company.
Yes, yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes. Because well, now I'm working in a company that it makes I don't remember the word, but the can make industries and oil for oil and gas, and one of our projects is in Arabia Saudi with Aramco. Well, I think it's important. I can speak or